Hello guys, so today I will show you step by step how you can create your Google ad. So if you want to promote your video on YouTube, so you need to watch this full video. Hello guys, so like I said on the beginning of this video, like what I just said, I will show you step by step how you can promote your YouTube videos on Google Ads. So first thing, what you need to do, go to Google and search for Google Ads. So once you search for Google Ad like this, just wait for it to open properly. So once it open, you will see that it open like this. So what you just need to do, just scroll down a bit until you see this one that say Google Ad, get more customers and generate lead with. So just click on that and it will open Google Ads. So if you don't have your account, click on begin, then you have to enter your Gmail and your password and your Google Ad account will be created. It's when you start promoting or creating ad campaign, that is when you have to enter your payment method and other requirements. So it's very simple to follow up. So for those of you who want to promote video, just keep on watching. Just click on login to login. So it's logging into my Google Ad account. So once it opens, your own might look different. You might not see anything here. Everything might be zero. So for me, you are seeing all those things because I've already started using Google Ads. So what we need to do here, you need to click on this section where it say new campaign. So once you click on that, it will bring you to this page. You just scroll down to this section and click on this one that says create a campaign without a guidance. And once you click on that, it will bring you to this step here. What you need to do, click on this one that says video, which say reach viewers on YouTube and get conversion. Click on that. And once you come here, don't change the settings. So just leave everything just like it is. Custom video campaign. Just scroll down and click on continue. So once you come here, this is what you will see. You need to select a name for this your campaign. You can call it anything. Let me say for the tutorial of this video, my promote. Let us call it video promotion. Promotion. So we'll call it video promotion will be the name of our campaign. And just scroll down here where it says bind strategy. Click on that. And here you need to make sure you put it on cost per view, which is CPV, which is cost per view, is what we want to do because we want to promote video. And just scroll down here and you can see a budget type. You need to click on it and make sure you put it on daily. So here you can select how much you want to be spending. Let us say $5. You can just do like $5 here. And that is it. So the end date of our campaign, we need to click on this section where it say edit and scroll down. So we need to set the end date on this our campaign. Click on select end date. So we can say, okay, we want to run this campaign for 5 days, 2020, 22, 23. Let us stop at 24 at August. So once we are done, just leave everything just like it is and close this menu here. So we are done with that. Here where it says networks, click on it and uncheck this because this is kind of Google is going to switch your campaign out of Google. So we need to make sure you just leave it on YouTube search results and you can leave it on YouTube videos. So that is it. And we just need these two on the networks and close this tab again. So on the country, you can decide on the country you want to promote or want to promote this your video to. Let us say, for example, you want to promote it to a country like other country. You can click on other and here you can select the country. Let me say United States here and just search United States. And United States will pop up. You just need to click on targeted country. Just click on that. So your targeted country now will be United States, and that is it. So for the purpose of this video, where I like targeting is worldwide because I'm trying to promote my video to get to reach more people, to reach more audience. So I want worldwide. I'll put it all countries. And at the bottom here, you can select your language. You know that your video is on. Select the language, which is English, is already been set. If you are speaking other language, you can click on it and you can select your language. Let me say Dutch, French, or any language at all. You can select it, but mine is English. And on the inventory type, you can click on it. Don't do anything here. Make sure it's on standard and leave everything just like it is. And on label, on this section, I want you to just leave everything just like it is here. And don't touch anything here. Just leave it. That is how I usually leave mine. I don't do it. If you want to do, you can do something about that if you want to. And on that, you can click on related videos. So if you want to do this, so it's a videos related to your videos app to help increase engagement. I want you to leave this because you don't want to be competing. So just scroll down here and you can select your ad campaign name. We can call it again, like we said, video promotion, something like that. Video promotion. Yes, video promotion. So once you type in that, it will be the ad group name. So once you are done with that, you just need to scroll down where it say demographic. Click on it. So this one here, you need to remove this unknown. Unknown are people. Let me say, for example, there's people who is watching video that is not using their Gmail to watch video. They just watch the video. So Google don't even know if those people are Google don't know their age. You don't know anything about them. Those are just people who are just watching the video without Gmail. So we want to target people that is already registered on YouTube. So that have a Gmail account. So those are people, because we want to target real people, not fake people. Remove unknown and remove unknown. So just leave everything just like it is. Let me say, for example, you want to target a particular age. You can do that. Go and check your YouTube channel to know the age of people that is watching your YouTube channel, and you can come back again to select the age you want to target on that your video. So yeah. So once you are okay with this, you need to click this and make sure that is okay. And yeah, we are setting that. Where it says segment, I don't want you to do anything on segment. It's kind of a category of what you are promoting. I don't want you to do this. Just leave segment. Don't do anything here. Just come down here. This is where the work is going to happen. So you can see, let's say, for example, you want to target a particular people. You can just come here like I want to promote a video on how to make money. We can just come here like say how to we can do like online business like this. Make sure you put comma, online business comma, and you come down again. You can write like how to make money online. So those are keyword. If you want, what I recommend you to do is to go and do a research about each keyword you want to rank for, to make sure that you are targeting the right people. And yeah, so that is what I recommend you to do. Go and do a keyword research on Google. So if you want to do keyword research, let me just show you. For example, you want to do a keyword research, you can go to Google here. So what I recommend you to do, go and open your Google Ad account in a new tab and click on tools and settings. Click on this one where you say tools and settings, this one here, this icon. Click on it and click on keyword planner. So once you click on keyword planner here, what you need to do, this will pop up. Click on discover new keyword and remove your current country. Remove your current country and click on save. We need to target worldwide. Here we can just come and say how to make money online. So because we want to target this particular keyword, click on get result. So you can see just display how to make money online, but the searches per month, the competition is a little bit high. It's on medium, so we can look for something like online how to make money, how to create money, how to make money online, how to create money online. Let's say, for example, that is our keyword. You can see how to create money online. It have a high competition, which is not good. It's going to be difficult for us to rank for this keyword. What we can search for keyword that is low, that have a low competition. You can just come here and search for like business online, business online. Let's just say, for example, business online. Those are keywords. This is not among what I'm showing you, but it's just an example. So let us say, for example, we want to rank for this keyword that says CBC business online. So you can see this keyword is on low. It's getting 100 to 1K searches per month. And this one, which say home banking, is getting 1K to 10K per month, and the competition is low. It's the competition you have to be focusing on. So once you have the keyword you want to rank for, let me say for example this one here, just copy the keyword and go back to your Google ad account you are creating, and come here and paste in the keyword you want to rank for. So once you paste in the keyword, put comma and do it as long as you want. So once you have the minimum of people you want to target, you can go and create your ad. But I'm not using this, so I will remove this because I don't want to target it by keyword. So what I'm doing here is placement. So I'm placing ad on people channel. So this is the best way I'm using, and this is working for me. That is why I'm sharing this with you guys. So let us go back again to my main YouTube account. So when you come to YouTube, just come here and search for like how to make money online. So once you search for how to make money, you will see people that is talking about how to make money. So what you need to do, you need to like target people that have a you need to target people that have a lot of audience. Let's say this person that have 284K subscribers, this person that have 586K subscribers. I will just click on this guy, and once I click on this guy, I will just copy his channel URL. Just watch what I'm doing. I will copy it and come back here. Come back to where we are creating our ad. So come here and enter the click on here where you say enter URL. I will click here, enter the URL here, and click on enter. So once I click on that, click on add. So you will see that it will add the guy here. Let me say for example I want to target Mr. B. I will just come here, I will type in Mr. Beast. Let's say for example Mr. Beast is my is the people I want to tag. Let me say is the audience I want to tag. I will just click on I want to target Mr. B audience. I will just click search for Mr. B. You see Mr. B have displayed here. I will just click on it. So as you can see, Mr. B have been added here. So that is how you can add multiple channels here that you want to target. So what you are doing here is that you want your video to be showing all those people on those channels, because those channels are talking about the same thing like you. So you are targeting people that is doing the same job like you. So that is what you have to do. So once you have done this, you have a lot of channels here. As you can see, I only have 2 channels. You can go and do it more, like go to YouTube, search for just go and search for people that is doing the same thing like you, that have a lot of audience, so that you can target people that is going to give you exactly what you are looking for. So once you are done with this, just scroll down here and scroll down. So once you are done with this, you just need to close this tab. So you are done with that. The next is to create your video ad. So go back to your YouTube channel here. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. So what I need to do, I need to search for a video that have a good thumbnail. If you don't have a good thumbnail, you can go and create a very sharpy, eye-catchy thumbnail that will make people to click on that video. So let me say for example, this my video here. Let me say for example, let me just use this one here. So let me just say this video for example. I will copy the link of this video. I will just open this video in a new one. So now that the video I've opened, what I need to do here is to click on this, click on it and click on copy. So we'll copy the URL of the video. We'll go back to the campaign we are creating our Google Ad account. Come here and paste in the URL of your video. So once you paste in the URL of your video, this is what will display. It will ask you if you need a skippable stream ad or you need an in-feed ad. We need an in-feed ad because our video is long. Is when you have a short video of up to 3 minutes. If I click on it, you will see it's a video longer than 3 minutes doesn't usually perform as well as shorter video. So you can use a video that is longer, let me say a video of 3 minutes to promote a skippable ad, which is those videos that display on the middle of the video. When you are watching any video, you see ad will display like this. But me, I usually use in-feed ad. So using feed ad because it's the best option. So those are videos that display at the bottom, at the side of YouTube, or when people are watching other people's video, you see your video will display at the bottom or at the side. So you can use that. So here you can choose a thumbnail, what you want to show on that, to show to people that is seeing this your ad. So here you are going to set an headline on this your video. So I will just set up the headline. So you can see I have just set up the headline. So as you can see, how to write a blog and earn money online. The second, which is the headline, then the description, best way to grow your business, passive income blogging. So this is just for example of what you can, you need to make sure your headline, your description that you want to use to run that your ad have to be corresponded to that your video. So you need to be something that is on that your video, because Google is going to review that your video to before they allow you to run on their platform. So once you have done, set up the ad name. You can call it what you want, video promotion, like I said from the beginning of the video. And here you just click on where you see ad creation. You can just click here, and here you are going to see how your ad this is your ad banner. If you want to add anything here, you can add any other thing, but you just leave everything just like it is. And now you have set your ad have just been created. So here you are going to select how much you want to be spending. So that is why I said this video promotion is the best option if you want to use it. So you can just come here, just search for something, just enter let me say you can promote your video for let me say 1 cent. Yes, 1 cent per view. Just type in like 1 cent. Just do something 0 1. Just do something like that. Just come here, type in 1, and come here and type in like 0. And as you can see, but it's recommending that you should at least pay 2 cents per view, but I recommend you not to do that. Just set your ad at 1 cent. So anyone that click on that your ad, you are going to be paying 1 cent per click. So which is CPV, which is cost per view. So once you are okay with that, you just need to leave everything. Don't click on apply. If you click on apply, these 2 cents will be added to it. So just make sure you maximize your spend, how much you want to be spending. And once you are done with that, click on create campaign. When I click on create campaign now, this campaign will be created. If I click on continue to campaign, this campaign will be created. And what is going to happen, you can see here, congratulations, your campaign is ready. So you can click on this option where it say continue to campaign. So it will tell you that your campaign have been set, and your campaign now it will be in under review. So you can see when I click here, you can see that our campaign now is eligible, and now is under review. So what is going to happen, Google is going to review this campaign and is going to let me know when my campaign will be live. So when my campaign is live, I will start seeing clicks, views, and I will start tracking to see how my ad is running. So you can see what we set. You can see how much we want to be paying, which is cost per view, and we are paying 1 cent, and is an in-feed ad, and we are waiting for this ad to kickstart. So that is how you can set up your Google Ads. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. So all I just want you to do is to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this video, if you really find it helpful, a way on how you can create your Google Ads. So I will say thank you very much, and you know what to do. Don't forget again, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you are done watching this my video. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to click that subscribe button and click the bell, or you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It just depends on where you want to follow me. Go and follow me. Let us connect together and start making money online for free. And you can visit my website, which is www.hugospera.com. You can check my SEO website, which is www.usafeseotools.com. Check them out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let us keep on making money online for free. See you on the next video.